In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow everyone on Threads. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Threads. After that, go to your profile. Tap where it says where it shows you the number of your followers, and then tap at following. That's where you can unfollow any Threads or any Instagram user just by tapping at unfollow button. Unfortunately, there is no option to unfollow all of them at once, so you have to scroll down through that list and then tap at each unfollow button next to some user you would like to unfollow, just like that. However, we can cancel all our pending send requests in one click. To do that, go to pending. It will show you the list of all your sent friend requests, and then we can tap at cancel all to cancel all of them at once.